Hello friends, welcome to Unity 3D teacher tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see about toggle button. So let's see how to create that. Go to game object and then click on UI and then click on toggle. Now you can see the toggle button has been comes with canvas. So this is a toggle button. You can able to enable or disable the button. So now let's see what are the steps we can able to work with the toggle button. So you can able to use it sign up or getting the feedback from that user who playing your games or app. It will be very helpful for you to get the data from your user or your players who playing the game or application. So you can able to after you hit play, you can see you can able to enable or disable the toggle option. So let's see how to design this in different style or different format. Scroll this, you can see the label. Now you can able to change the label to different forms of colors, like a normal text which you doing for normal UI text in a canvas. Similarly you can able to change it. So I'm just picking this color, okay, and then changing the size. Okay, you can similarly you can change width and height, size, color, everything, all the properties like UI text to the label over here for the toggle. And I'm going to change the check mark and the background. Okay, I'm making a circle one, I'm just selecting a rectangle. So you can use whichever you need. You can change the background and also the check mark for a toggle button. So now you see we have changed this. So go to the toggle. If you need by default off, you need to switch on is on, so that you can able to get the feedback from the users. So you want to make sure that which option which is required for you. If you need by default tick mark, you can enable is on, otherwise you can leave it out. So I'm just duplicating multiple toggle buttons. Now hit play. I'm changing as option A and another one as option B. Okay. Now hit play. If you see, you can able to check and uncheck different toggle buttons. So what I'm going to do is I am going to make a group for this button so that we can able to communicate between the buttons to handle a multiple options. So let's create one image and then drag and drop over the image, and I change the color of the background. Okay, so we have two toggle buttons right now. I'm just making the size fit for everything. Okay, now you can able to visible perfectly. Okay. If you see, the problem is that there is no control between these two toggle buttons. So I want to make sure that the control need to be work and need to be communicate between the toggles. So how to do that? To do this, we have a simple system. Let's name this as group, and then if you scroll down over that, you have toggle group. Using the toggle group, you can able to communicate between the multiple toggles. So before that, let's play and see what's going on. Okay, I'm sorry, still we need to communicate between the group. So to make a communication, hit play and let's see, still there is no communication. Let me tell you what the problem is. You want to make sure that the group need to be add with the toggle button so that they can able to communicate with the group. So you want to make sure that you should have the group over each toggle button which you're creating. So you want to make sure that now hit play. Now you can able to see, you can able to communicate between the buttons perfectly with the help of your groups. So you can able to, by default you can able to switch on or switch off. If by default if you need to switch off, you can able to do that. If the user don't want to switch off your toggle button, you need to go to the group and need to uncheck the allow switch off. So it's your choice. For example, if the question is compulsory, the option is compulsory, you want to make sure that group should be switched on, switched. Okay, we are having one more. Now you can see. So while you're creating every option, you want to make sure that you have a group. I'm just switching off. Let's see. The user can able to change the option individually. So this is it. So if you think this video is really helpful for you, please subscribe us, and thanks for watching, and comment out if you have any problem with this toggle button. I can help you with the reply comment. Thank you and thanks for watching. Bye.